haven't slept since 3 o'clock. So why complain about the water that didn't come all night? The fault lies with that face which wouldn't let me sleep. Tears have come to my eyes. Everyone gets emotional. Is there a soap you both recommend? Everyone claims they are in agony. Who, Father? If he is your father, then the pain of a father, why can nobody understand it?
Mothers and fathers differ in gender, but the heart is the same for everyone. What happens is that men don't shed tears as quickly as you have just now. Men don't cry easily. God has gifted us with some excellent abilities. When a man is in extreme distress, tears roll down his face.
There is no difference in the love of a mother and a father, but the way it's expressed differs.